How to turn on or turn off hold assist on iPhone iOS 26 with demonstration. So first let's go back to the home screen. So I'll go back to the home screen, and on the home screen we tap on settings. So tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on phone. So look for phone app, and in here we then scroll down and then tap on hold assist detection. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now this will automatically detect when you are placed on hold, so you can step away. So let's take a look at a demonstration. So here I will place a call. So I'll place the call now. I'll answer the call. And during the call, over here I'm going to put on hold. Okay, so on hold call. And you can hear that when I place the call on hold, there is a music. Okay, so I've been placed on hold. The phone is playing some music on the background here. Okay, so I leave the phone there. Now on my other phone, I will resume call. Hello? Pick up. Hello? Hello? Okay, so I'll put the call on hold again and then tap on more. Now I have to actually turn this button on, hold assist. Okay, so here so you will be notified to pick up the call. So here it said you've been notified to pick up the call. Okay, so I'll try it again. Resume call. Hello? Pick up the call. So I have been notified to pick up the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.